well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have yet another book haul. Are we shocked at this point? No. I have a serious book buying problem and I feel it is definitely wise for me now to go on a hardcore book buying ban. So I have this book haul. I am also going to be doing an Amazon unboxing book haul. Other than that, I am done. No more books till Christmas. Somebody take away my credit card and my Amazon account because it is becoming a problem. So in today's haul we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 books to go through. Some of which I have read, some of which I haven't. I am really excited to share them with you. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So firstly, let's start off with the elephant in the room. I had to pick up It Starts With Us. Now, I'm actually not going to be reading this book until January, and I know what you guys are thinking. Why are you waiting so long to read it? Honestly, read it now. Trust me, it's becoming a serious problem. I really, really want to read this book. However, I have a very, very exciting collaboration happening next year, which I'm not going to tell you guys about yet. You'll hear about it next month, and I'm really excited about it. So I'm going to be reading this in January. But I thought I'd pick it up. This is the W.H. Smith version, I think, so it's got the yellow sprayed edges, and I can't take credit for this. My mum actually picked this up for me, so mum, if you're watching, thank you very much. I am overly excited about it. So that is It Starts With Us by Colleen Hoover. It kind of follows It Ends With Us story. It tells you a bit more about the life of Lily after, and I'm really, really excited. So yeah, this is It Starts With Us. Delightful. I think these are £7 at the moment, so if you haven't picked it up, now's your chance. I think normally they are £12.99, £14.99, so for £7, bargain. The next book I picked up from the works, and I think this was about £3 or £5, I can't quite remember, but this is the X Hex. Now I have mentioned this in my October reading wrap up, so I'm not going to go on about it too much. I have read this book. I'm really, really impressed with this book. I gave it 5 stars, and it was just a beautiful October, cozy, autumnal feeling vibe, and it was delightful. So yeah, if you haven't read this book, I highly recommend it. There is a second one coming out, or it is already out actually, called The Kiss Curse, which I'm really excited about. So yeah, if you haven't read this book, you should give it a read. It is very, very good. The next book I picked up, which I have also already read, I think this is the last one actually, yes it is, that I've already read. So this is Last One to Die by Cynthia Murphy. Now I'm not going to go on again about this too much because again, I've read this in October. It's in my October reading wrap up. If you want kind of a big spiel on how much I loved it, then make sure you check out the video. It was my last 2 videos ago maybe, or a video ago, I can't quite remember. But I absolutely love this book. Cynthia Murphy has the best writing ability ever. The plot twists in the writing of these books is insane. You do not expect anything to happen that happens in this book. It's incredible. So if you want a nice spooky kind of murder mystery vibe, insane. Obviously I love my gal Holly Jackson. Her books are incredible. I love those too, but these ones have not better plot twists. I think they're just more shocking, if that makes sense. Like in A Good Girl's Guide to Murder, I'm not going to give any spoilers, I did not expect what happened at the end. However, you kind of knew that somebody was responsible. However, the ending of these, it just makes you like rethink the whole book. So I really recommend this. If you've not read it, please pick it up and give me a message on Instagram once you've read it or if you've picked it up, because I would love to know your thoughts. But I loved it. Amazing. The next 2 books I picked up were also from the works, and these were £5 each, and both by the same author. So we have Malibu Rising and Daisy Jones and the Six by Taylor Jenkins Reid. Now I have read The Seven Husbands of Evelyn Hugo, which I really, really enjoyed, and one of my friends, Becky, if you're watching this video, has not finished, or she doesn't enjoy it. I can't remember what she said now, but she could not finish it, or that she read it and didn't like it, which shocks me. I loved that book. I'm really excited to have both of these in my collection now, and I just love how they look together. Like the font's the same, it just brings me joy. So yeah, I'm really excited to give these both a read, and I haven't got any idea what Malibu Rising is about, so I feel like I need to give this a read ASAP. I've heard this is amazing, and I know that they've released, what is the book called? Carrie Soto? Something about Carrie Soto? I'm making that up, but I think she features in this book. Anyway, really excited. Again, the only thing I hate about these books is these really ugly stickers. Like, why Why ruin it? Do you know what I mean? Anyway, got these, buzzing about them, both for £10. Lovely bargain. So the next two books I picked up were in the W.H. Smith's paperback deal. So they were 2 for £12, so I had to pick up 2, obviously. The first one is Tag Youre Dead by Catherine Foxfield, and I've seen her books in there quite a lot, and I did also spot them. I think it was in my Shop With Me video, which if you haven't seen it, make sure you go give it a watch, but I've seen these books in there quite a lot. There are a few more in the series as well, so they are on my Amazon wish list, and I do need to purchase them when I'm no longer on a book buying ban, so probably sometime next year. The back of this one says, when social media superstar Anton Fraser unveils his latest stunt, a live streamed game of tag where the prize is behind the scenes access to him, his fans go wild. As dusk falls, 100 contestants venture into the city to hunt each other down, but 3 people have hidden motives for entering his contest of a lifetime: money, obsession, and revenge. I'm very excited about that. I love a good murder mystery / thrillery vibe, so pick that one up, and again it was 2 for £12, so technically it's £6 each. And the other one I picked up was Maybe Now by Colleen Hoover. I've got an itchy nose. I have wanted to pick these books up for a while, but the covers changed, and then there was a kind of weird mix in between where like some of the covers were like this, some of the covers were the old covers, and I want the new covers. However, I am struggling now to find Maybe Not, because I feel like it's nowhere to be found. Waterstones don't even stock it, so if you guys know where I can buy Maybe Not with this cover theme, please let me know, because I physically cannot buy the old one and I need the whole collection, so let me know. But I have honestly no idea what Maybe Now is even about. I'm really excited to read it though. I love Colleen's books, so I'm very excited to give that one a try as well. And lastly were 3 books from Waterstones. I popped into Waterstones on a whim and I picked up 3 books. I think I got a little bit overexcited, to be honest. The first one I picked up was The Dead Romantics by Ashley, is it Poston? Is that how you pronounce the name? I don't even know. This was £9. I did just have a quick look on Amazon and you can buy it for £3. Not fuming at all, but anyway, it's my own fault for buying books, isn't it? So that's karma, really. But you can buy it for £3 on Amazon, so definitely pick up on there. I have, again, no idea what this is about, but I'm really, really excited to give it a read. I haven't really got any idea what this book is particularly about, but I know that it's been a very well-loved book on BookTok and things, so I wanted to pick it up. And also the colour of this cover, stunning, absolutely stunning. So this one again was £9 and I got it from Waterstones. The next book I picked up was Maybe Someday by Colleen Hoover. Again, I have absolutely no clue what this series is about, but don't they look so good together? I just like can't even cope. So I do need Maybe Not, which is the novella. So anyone, just please tell me where I can buy it. I'm on a book buying ban, but I need it to finish this collection, so let me know down below if you know where I can pick it up. But yes, Maybe Someday, love the new cover. Do I have any idea what this is about? No. So yeah, let me know your thoughts and opinions on this series. I feel like from what I've heard, people don't love this series. However, I have basically the rest of Colleen's books near enough and I just needed to pick these up, so I picked those up as well. And last but by no means least is My Dark Vanessa by Kate Elizabeth Russell, and I've heard quite a lot of good things about this book. I had no idea what it's about, but then I've read the back and I feel like it's gonna be quite graphic, thrillery, weird vibes. So I've read the back and the back says, Vanessa Way was 15 years old when she first had sex with her English teacher. Instantly, a no goes in from me. Now the teacher, Jacob Strain, has been accused of sexual abuse by another former student, and a journalist has asked Vanessa to contribute to a story about him, but no one seems to understand that what Vanessa and Strain had together wasn't abuse, it was love. I am really intrigued, so yeah, I love it. And also, that is the kind of colour hair I want, you know? Maybe I should take this to my hairdresser next time and just be like, can you just put that on my head? But yeah, that's that. I'm very excited. This one was £9. I also forgot to say that the Maybe Someday was also £9, so love it. And you could probably get them on Amazon for like £3, so check Amazon first. But I do love Waterstones, it has a good vibe, do you know what I mean? So that is everything for my November book haul. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video, and let me know down below any books that you think I would like, kind of similar to these books, or any books that you've read recently and your thoughts on them. I would just love to have a good bookish chat down below. And that is it. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. I upload such a wide range of videos on this channel, such as Lush, books, vlogs, lifestyle things, and everything in between. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!